course content I'm sharing again. We have seen infrastructure, some how to create this, and IAM access management. Later on HDK and cloud services, something like that. Okay. Now IAM. What is meant by IAM? IAM is nothing but access management. Let me give you some example. There is two types of normally IAM is nothing but access management. Just keep in mind, I have an organization because I am working for a company. I am working for a company. Okay, this company is from 10 years back. Some company is there, old company. Okay, like I think like some product like any product, old product. What is that? Some company is there. They have some different locations, different locations, different data centers. Okay, data centers means what? In the data centers, you can store all missions. Data center is nothing but storing all the servers in the data centers. That we'll call it as a on premises. Suppose 3 branches. Okay, on premises is nothing but on premises is nothing but data center. One is in Europe, UK, one is in US, one is in Canada. Okay, like 3 places, 3 data centers are in UK also. It is one is in London, one more is in New York or New Jersey, Toronto, Canada, Toronto. We have data centers are there. This we'll call it as an on premises. Normally, some people are working in London, some people are in different people are there, right? In these data centers, how they can able to access with help of their account? How the account will be there? With help of email account, first name, last name will be there. Okay, my Venkat at the rate of your company name. Okay, your company is something like any company, comp.com, company name. And one more guy is also there. Your company name. Right? They can able to access. How they can able to access to the server? Suppose 2 types of servers are there. One is Linux server. One is Windows server. Okay. How they can able to connect? Suppose their application, Windows application. Some IIS is there, Tomcat server is there, some database server is there. How they can able to connect? Windows servers will be connected with using MSTSC. With help of this one, they can connect. Remote desktop connection. Suppose UK server means there will be like UK dev mission, some 001, like that you can give, then username, password, you can able to connect. Fine. This is normal process. Then Linux, how you can able to connect with help of putty. We have a tool called where it is. With help of this one, you can able to connect to the servers. Okay, just you can click on that and you can connect. It's a black screen or whatever the things. You can connect. You can work out. With help of VPC, you can able to connect. Fine. Now the thing is, this is my old company. Because old company means all servers are old and missions are old, versions also old. What they will do now, what is happening? They'll be purchasing AWS account. Okay, they are purchasing AWS account or Azure account or GCP. Ours is GCP. They purchased a GCP account. Okay. In this, we have services, right? What are the services are there? Lot of services are there. Some data centers having some service, some services. Example, compute engine. Okay. Some cloud run. Cloud Run, Cloud SQL, Cloud SQL. Like this, services will be there. If you give the access to this one, then only how you can able to, this is on premises, how you can able to connect with this one from your on premises to cloud, GCP cloud. We have a connectivity. That connectivity we'll call it as a hybrid connectivity. The technical word is hybrid connectivity. In that hybrid connectivity, we have two types. One is cloud VPN. One more is cloud interconnect. Okay. Both. Anything you can use. Companies will be using cloud VPN normally. Second one, very costly. Okay. Your wish. Based on the company, they'll be creating one or two options. Then your whatever the things are, how there will be a cloud, say cloud identity. With help of cloud identity, okay, cloud identity, with help of these things, what are the users you are creating, that will be replicated to your account, where it will be there, your IAM. From there you can able to access whatever the things are there, you can able to, that is called IAM. In that IAM, access management, you can restrict whatever the things you want to create a user, you want to cloud run, cloud SQL, what are the things you can go with that. You can give authentication and whatever permissions you can give. That is called IAM. Okay. Let me go with, I'll show you IAM. Just click on this IAM. Cloud identity, right? Let me show. See, all emails will be there, all accounts will be there. Suppose in your organization, some 10 members are there. 10 members. If you have access to 10, you can able to see here. All those things you can see. How you can able to see, how the resource structure will be there. How the resource structure will be there. Like that. Here, how the structure will be there. How the structure will be there. Here, the thing is cloud identity, right? How the sync happening. How the sync happening, that is also very important. How the sync is happening, let me share the diagram. Cloud identity, GCP. This one, I think so. See this one. Yeah. This is, I'll tell you. See how the emails will be created. This is old company, right? How the emails will be there in your Active Directory AD account. Okay. AD account. Your company name is CMP. That is nothing but it is located in, that we'll call it as a forest. Okay. That forest. What are the changes will be there in, that is the thing. Your company name is com.com. See, ADFS, Active Directory domain, Active Directory, your applications, all those things. How this is Google, this is Google Cloud. We have a Google Cloud Directory sync. In between, there is a cloud sync. That sync will be taken care by cloud identity. Okay. That cloud identity will take care of all the services. That is the importance of cloud identity. Okay. With help of how it will be syncing with Google Cloud Directory sync. Google Cloud Directory sync. With help of that, we can do that. Fine. And sync. This is the thing. This is one type of setup. Access management, that is different. You can give same, because if you have this one, you can give the permissions with help of IAM. Fine. Now, How the structure will be there? How the structure will be there in the GCP? That is important. First thing, organization. Organization. Okay. Organization means your company, complete.com. That is the thing. Then later on, folders will be there. Folders. Suppose the company having something like three branches, right? One is for UK folder. Nothing will be there, just folders. Like Windows, we have some folders, right? Here. One is for development. We can create some DevOps and Kubernetes nodes, some Terraform folder, IIT training, interviews folder, something like that, right? Same here. USA folder. And Canada folder. Okay. Under folders, you have projects. Under folders, you have projects. Okay. Project 1, project 1. If this is a thing like this is a in UK, you are working for UK support, let it be USA folder, and you are working for UK support and development project, dev project. Okay, some people are working dev project, some people are working dev project 2 and dev not dev, let it be QA. Some projects, some people are working on production. Okay, project 3. Okay, 3. Now the thing is, organization, folders level, folders, folder, and one more folder, 3 folders. This under this folder, this comes under projects. These projects having services. What are the services? Multiple services are there. Around 200 plus services are there. One fellow, just think like Kiran. Kiran and Priya, development team. These two are development team, dev team. Okay. And Sunil and Anil, there are QA team. Production, PRD, Venkat, and one more is Sudhir. These both are production team. Okay, IAM is what? See, IAM is a identity access management. In that, so many services are there. That comes under IAM. Here one IAM will be there. In this IAM portal, you can give the permissions whatever you need. Understood? IAM is a IAM. You can give with help of in this IAM portal, dev team provide the access for dev team. Okay. In QA, in IAM, you can provide for QA team. What is this? Let me sort. Okay, like this, QA team. In production, you can provide IAM. See, if you notice that where you can see this one, projects, first thing organization, then folders, then projects. Then projects. First stage is organization, second stage is folder stage, and third stage is project stage. Okay. But the thing is, in real time, you can able to see this one and this one also. Real time means in your company accounts, premium accounts, okay, paid accounts. You can see these both if you have organization, okay. But the thing is, here we are using free account, right? Free trial account, free trial account. In free trial account, from project level only you can see. From project level only you can see that. You can view. On top of that, you can't see that folder and you cannot able to see. It will show blank, no organization, something like that for free accounts. It's not a domain, right? This is a free. If it is a domain, com.com, then you can see. Let me show that. Go to this, go here, see this one. Every project having, first I will show the resources, manage resources. Now see, no organization means on top of, on below, these are the projects. This is the projects, no folders, no organization, building. These are all under projects. You can, how many projects you can able to work out in practice means you can create 3 projects. See folder, see folder also is there. Create a project also there. I can create a project. See project, see 25 you have, but you cannot able to work out. See again, I'm creating a project. Okay, some sample project. I'm creating a project. See this one, this project. You can create the project, but you cannot able to, I told, right? Folder level, you cannot able to create folder 1, folder 2, whatever folder, but you can see this one, but you can't see that. Folder means what? On top of organization only you can create. If you drop down, if you get a drop down, you can see the organization, but no organization. See, don't have permission, something it is saying. For free accounts, you can't create. IIM also keep in mind, note, IIM is belongs to, we have organization, IIM is belongs to org level and project level. Okay, project level, org level. In interviews, they'll be asking, you can send an email to me if you have any doubts. Let me share my email because you need to get a job. That's why you can send an email, and if you want to, I will respond immediately. Fine. Okay. Now the thing is, some people will be having access from organization level. Some people will be having access folder level. Some people will be having project level. Suppose this Priya is there. She is a developer for Java. She can do in that project only. She cannot able to do that. She cannot able to do QA project. She cannot able to do project level. That you need to custom the permissions. Okay, custom the permissions in that. What type of users are there? What type of roles are there? I will discuss now. Let me show you again. Okay, go back. IIM. What are the projects we have seen right now? We have seen 3 projects. Okay, we have seen resources. If you give manage resources, manage, yeah, lot of just resource you can put, resource, manage resources. You can see this one, 4 projects, right? 4 projects. I will click on student 1 or global student. Let it click on this, or go with the compute, IAM, go here, this one. See this one, you can see this student one, who is having access on student one, so many, some backup, like some, I will tell you what is this principal, what is this principal, I will tell you, is nothing but a user. Principal is nothing but a user who can maintain the service, whatever the services are there. That's it. See, if principal means what? He can maintain the college, right? College means in college, plus so many students are there, so many sections are there, so many lecturers are there. They are on top of that, the principal will be there, right? Same case, this principal can be handled more services. What are the services? So many services. See this one. See, team testing, so many people having in this student one project. In student two, only these two having the permissions. Okay, these two. And one more project we have, global student. See, only in global student, Sudhir, some C2020 having access, and this guy is having access. Okay, lot of people having access. So in this student two, multiple people. In student one, lot of people having access. So many people. Like this, what is these things will, what are the things we can see now? Okay. What type of account, what type of users are there in IAM? In IAM, what are the types we have? Google account, Google account. Okay, Google account means what? Your Gmail account or your corporate account. That's it. Your Gmail account or your corporate account. If you access with Gmail account, that is a free trial account. If you log in with your corporate account, that corporate account. You can view that organization also if you have permission. Okay, service account. Service account is nothing but mission account. Okay. Now Google Groups. Google Groups. Google Workspace account. Google Identity. Okay, that is okay. I think so. Domain, I can say. Google account, domain account. Domain is nothing but your corporate account, that will call it as a domain account. These are the four things. Service account means what? Mission account. See, some of the services has to run with mission account. Okay. From how you can able to create inside your GCP, you can create. This is Gmail account, is Google account means this is manual account, means human account, I can say. Okay. Google Groups, what is meant by Google Groups? Google Groups are, we have, let me, here, see this one, Dev team, Kiran Priya, production team, Venkat Sudhir, QA team, Sunil Anil. Okay. Like this, think like 10 people are there, 10 people. How they'll be creating? There is default Google Groups are there. Google Groups. And one more is custom Google Groups are there. Okay. Default means what? We have, I remember, network group and developer. I'll show you that group. DevOps group. DevOps group. Like this we have. Custom means you can create by your own. See, QA team. You can create like this. Okay. Production team. Like this, you can create your own. How it will be there, I'll show you that. It will go normal, give GCP, then you will come to know. See this one, manage groups, permissions. See, a lot of groups are there. Here it is not displaying. How to create it will show. It will be giving. Not this one. This is not normal groups. View. Let me click on. It's not there. Default groups list GCP. Yeah, somewhere else send. No, it's not showing here. In this, see, Google groups. What I am saying, these Google groups are in IIM. We can see in organization level, we can able to see that. Okay, from org level, you can see. Project level, you cannot able to see. From org level, you can see that. Fine, because ours is free account, right? You cannot able to see that. Okay, org level you can see. Here you can see, go and verify here. Google groups you can't see here. See on top of that. No, you can't see this. Let me go with identity and organization. It will see this one. Manage your user accounts, groups for your employees. Create organization structure, all your projects and resources. Projects and resource means every service is nothing but a resource. Go to the checklist. It won't display. See this one. Begin a setup. See, enable cloud identity, create a organization, set up networking, logging, all those things. Because a free account, see in this, click on this. Your current account is my Gmail account. Okay. See, I'm a new setup. Continue. I mean, see, all it's not no organization. I cannot able to do that. Okay, see, it's not an administrator and you cannot able to do. Right? That is the reason. If you cannot able, you can't do that from practice. Project level, you can practice it. On top of that, I'll show you one day. More than enough, that is. See, identity, cloud identity. You can see here. Where is this? Cloud identity. And what is meant by workspace account? You can see here. One more is there. A cloud entity, workspace. Come back. Workspace account. What is this? Okay. Now the thing is, what is the use of this one? In this whole diagram, you are working from old company, means on-premises company. The thing is, in this you are maintaining Active Directory. In that Active Directory, you have Exchange server. In Exchange server, you have email server. In that email, you can send emails and a Word, all those things you are using from this one only. You install somewhere else your email server. From that you are using, or email server. Okay, or nowadays lot of people are using Office 365. Office 365. Office 365 having all MS Office with Teams, anything, Teams, everything they can be handled, download that. Okay, this is the old environment. That is the, yes. Now, workspace account, what is that? Workspace account, I don't have any company. Mine is a startup company. Okay, mine is a startup company. I purchased Gmail. No. How I can say? The startup company, what they will do is some team will be there, some 10 to 15 people, startup company, right? Startup company, they won't go with Office server, no, they won't do that. Why? Because of suppose that product has been failed, then nothing, right? All server room, server machinery, everything will be get lost. That is the reason nowadays product-based companies or startup companies, they won't go with on-premises. They won't buy the Office. They will take the rent and they will use GCP account or AWS account to create the services. Like web servers, application servers, database servers. For example, Zomato, what they need, some web servers, right? All application, all those things, right? They will put in AWS cloud or Azure cloud or GCP cloud, anything. In that case, why I need to build a office? Nothing, right? Some team occupied. Team, your product is some just pro.com product. One more guy is there also there, Sunil. Pro.com. They created, where they created this domain, they purchased some GoDaddy or something, some purchased these domains, approximately 10 people. Pro.com, some 10 people they created. Now what they will do is, they need some, suppose I want to send a email, right? They need a email, right? Like Gmail or something, right? They will go with workspace account. They will go with workspace. You can see in your Google itself, you can see that. Let me show you. Workspace. Here itself, I'll show you. Nothing to worry. This is a free account only, right? Gmail. Click on this. And this. This one, see, somewhere else you can see this Gmail, right? Gmail, all those things are there. Some application, see this one. Say free, they are giving some free, right? Maps, chat, calendar, all those things are there. Okay, this is workspace only. But it is a free 15 GB free something you have. Corporate accounts also, they will buy a workspace account. This is the thing, all they will get it for free, not 15 GB. They'll be giving, you will get the space like every email, Venkat having 30 GB, Sunil having, like admin console will be there. They will be having workspace admin, workspace console. Okay, their admin, from that admin you can able to do all email creations, space emails, everything you can set it here. 50 people can be accessed, can be logged in, they can use documents, means Google Docs, all those things. Accounts, all 10 people will be occupied in same domain. Who will be taking care? Workspace admin will take care. Okay, not 15 GB. They will purchase 1 terabyte or for something like that. So Venkat having 30 GB, Sunil, you can customize that also. If you want to customize, you can customize your console. Okay, this is the old new like now this is email setup, workspace email and all those things, right? Now, what they will do, they purchased email boxes, chatting, and everything. Calendar also, you can see a lot of apps will be there if you click on it. Google Meet. But here, resolution will be coming like not that much of effective. But if you purchased, you will get more and more. Okay, good. You will get good resolution and all those things. And drive also 15 GB. See this one, 15 GB. You will get 15 GB only, but you can customize that. This is a free account. Okay. Now, what they will do after doing this setup, what they will do, they will purchase GCP account. This is workspace. This is different. They will purchase a GCP account. Yesterday I found right business individual something like GCP account in business. Okay, with help of workspace, with help of workspace connectivity, they can able to connect to this. All if you create a account Venkat or Sunil, automatically it will be replicated Venkat and all those things. Okay, .com and Sunil.com, pro.com and Anil pro.com. Fine. This is one more option. You can mention, say for example, if you are keeping 4 years of experience, 4 years or 3 years of experience, don't say on premises. Okay. Ours is a startup company. You can say big companies also, no problem. You can say startup company. Okay. We have workspace account. With help of workspace account, we are connecting to the Google account. Like this also, you can say no problem at all. Nowadays, most of the product-based companies, they are not going with on-premises. They are buying workspace account. Their 5G, 15 GB, 10 GB, they are customizing all those things. Then who is the senior guy? I am the senior guy. I can create the groups. All groups also I will create here only. All groups, what are the groups you have, I will create. Okay. I will create here. Okay. I will create here. Automatically, it will be reflected here also. Now, suppose one more interview question. Can I create the group here and it will be reflected? Yes, it will be reflected. Okay, it will be reflected. No problem at all. That is one. Then here on premises, very, very important. Coming back to on premises means old companies. Okay, if you create any group here, it will be reflected here. But if you create a group here, group any Google something, Google like Google production group. If you create here at the rate of your company name, your company com.com. Okay, if you create here, okay, this won't replicate in this one because this is on premise. This is different server. It won't bidirectional. It won't. If you in this case you have to create here. You have to create here. Then only it will be replicated in this environment. But here in this one, if you do here also it will. If you do here also it will. That is one of the interview questions. Okay. Tomorrow will be continued. If you have any doubts, let me know.